All right, so today we have a new set of pots and pans to share, and this one is a black granite. They also do have other colors. I don't remember what all colors, but the black one is what I wanted. This also does come with baking pans, along with the cooking pans. So we got different size baking sheets, or pans, not sheets. Here's another one, slightly larger. We do get a muffin or cupcake pan. Looks like we actually get some table liners, so if you want to use these. Or maybe these are placemats for your pans itself, I don't know. But either way, they look like placemats for your table. Those I probably won't use for anything, but they're there. All right, we got some lids for our pans, for the cooking pans. Those are pretty nice. It's got like a wood design top. I think that's actually a plastic, but it looks nice. Cute little skillet. I don't know if that's like a little omelet pan or egg pan. You could use it for that. Has that nice wood grain looking handle. And on the bottom, it says cooking perfection. It looks like this will work for induction as well. But this definitely looks like an induction bottom. Hey, what do you think you're doing? Apparently I have someone here who wants to help. What are you doing on the counter, little buddy? You don't belong up here. You do not belong up here. Got some more lids. You need to get off the cover. Come here. Come here, buddy. You don't belong up here on the counter. I'm sorry. We got a little saucepan here. Really, dude, a nice, really thick, deep skillet. Another size skillet. Dude, what do you think you're doing? I had to get cats. Hey, are you trying to help? You're not much of a help right now. More lids. Dude, hey, you're not helping me. Hey, what do you think you're doing? We do have some utensils. We got a spatula, we got a ladle. We got a pasta spoon. These are not for you, buddy. You stop. I don't know what this is yet. Let's see. Oh, we got knives. I didn't realize this came with some knives. Looks like these are ceramic knives. I'll give them a try. This is kind of like everything in a box. I think this was a 30-piece set. Can I have this pan? Can I have it? Give it to me. We have a larger pot. So we got this guy who's not making it very easy to unpack this box right now. Hey, that's not for you. All right, buddy. I'm going to need the rest of these dishes. Another cooking pot. Got a lid for one of the smaller cooking pots. Hey, what are you doing? We're almost done here, buddy. You're kind of in the way. Yep, I'm taking your pan. Taking your pan. Ah, this one's a colander strainer that goes into your pot, so that's pretty nice. You can do steaming and stuff. Oh, you almost made this knock over, buddy. Can I have this? Can I have this? Huh? All right, so we have another large skillet, and we do have a springform pan. My daughter's actually been asking for one of these, so it's nice. So you got your spring form, I think that's what it's called, but you got your baking pan, make your cheesecakes and different cakes or whatever with. I know that's what she wanted it for. And then last, we have like a grill pan, or yeah, grill pan. All right, let's go through and see everything that we've got here. So we have our larger skillet, a smaller but much deeper skillet, we have a smaller skillet, we have that like egg size one. Then we have our sauce pots. We got our smaller sauce pot, we got our larger pot, our much larger pot, our different ladles and spatulas and utensils. And then we do include 3 knives, which, like I mentioned, are a ceramic knife. We have lids for several of these pans. We have that steamer basket that I mentioned, which will sit right on top. And then put a lid right on top of that. That's pretty nice. We got that springform pan. The muffin and cupcake pan. This baking dish, and then we got our small loaf pan. And then we do have those placemats if that is something that you actually want to use. I don't know if I'll use these, but if you're looking for a pretty nice pan set, check this one out. You got like 30 pieces here. It's got everything you need to start from baking, cooking, sauteing, steaming. You got your utensils, your knives, lids, but it's a decent size set that's affordable and it'll get you started.